hiccups. Woo! I know Alan's probably watching this. Dude, Alan, Cole, whatever you know. This is how we used to get rid of the hiccups back in the day. Hold on. I gotta... Wait. Hold on. I gotta get it ready. Ooh. That's cold.
Amanda's watching.
Ooh. Here we go. And I got it on my gas monkey shirt. But wait. Wait for it. Wait for it, people. It's okay. Look. No hiccups. See? That's how you do it. Good night.